leave the boat, and then we're going to go from our river up to this other tributary, and it's like 20 miles. I'm like, 20 miles, right? Fuck yeah, this will be fine. We got our backpacks, machetes, get off the boat, and Lex is all good to go. The first 5 minutes we're out there, JJ machetes a branch that has lost. Break personal records and make smarter choices. The same is true for businesses.
What's up, Deleted Diesel?
What
You gonna change your YouTube name?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is a winter weather advisory. We're supposed to get 5 to 7 inches. And Steve Brooks and I went up to the mountains here in Clayton, Georgia to play with our, well, he's got a new Gladiator. He made the switch to a eco diesel with a full alu cabin build out. I recently got mine deleted and tuned and new exhaust, so we're kind of playing around here in the snow. Coming up here, it was crazy. There were cars on the side of the road, cars slipping and sliding, but the KM3 mud terrains on a Rubicon, I just walked by everyone. I mean, it's doing surprisingly well. I have no complaints. I know mud tires aren't the best for snow, but the snow is still fresh, so we'll see how it is tomorrow after it ices over. But we're gonna go around, have some fun, see what we get into. Once we got to the main road, Steve really found out how slippery it actually was out there with all the ice. He slid around this intersection, as did I. those signs are new, but right here on the left, there's 2 spots.
Okay. That's not the rope swing, is it?
Yeah. We aired up here once before with the kids. But you can't camp past these signs right here, so this just goes to the water crossing and back.
Gotcha. So that's that. Okay, I remember airing up, but I thought it was more open.
Yeah, everything kind of changed after the flood. Water level is low.
Go left, right?
Yeah, go to the left of the rocks, and then kind of go to the right. It did cut out a little bit more on the left side since the last storm. This area is a lot higher. Alright, fully locked up. Come on up, baby. Come on up. Steve's new diesel. My freshly deleted and tuned Eco Diesel. We got the Starlink on with the heater on with all the snow and ice tonight. So this is camp. Got your fancy seat covers. The next morning, Steve and I got up pretty early at around 5:30 a.m., packed up, and got back on the icy roads. Headed back towards Clayton was a lot worse off than the day before. These slick passes were not treated at all, and we were sliding everywhere as well. We aired up at the brand new gas station in downtown Clayton, Georgia. Got some road intel from a local snowplow that pulled up to gas up, and figured out, our ways to get back home. As always, thanks for watching, and a special thank you to my Patreon supporters. If you like these types of videos, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified of new videos. And for the price of a cup of coffee, consider joining my Patreon. This gives you sneak peeks and invites to Patreon-only meetups. Thanks again.